Here is how you can use and compare multiple AI models against each other. And best of all, you can get started for free. I will show you how to get access to GPT-4, which is only accessible to ChatGPT Plus subscribers. I will also show you how to get access to Claude 2.1, which is normally only available to Claude Pro subscribers. And it is also only available in certain countries. I will even show you how to get access to any language model you could think about. And you can use all of them at once. And as I stated earlier, you can get started for free. Before we get started, hit the subscribe button because my analytics tells me that even though I have doubled the amount of subscribers in the last 28 days, still over 85% of you watch my videos but are not yet subscribed. So just head over to openrouter.ai. You can sign up for a free account and this will give you $1 of free credit. And as you can see, currently they have a few models which are free to use. But if you want to use the most popular models like GPT 3.5 and GPT-4, this is really cheap as well. So you can even top up if you want with $1 or $2 or $5 or whatever you want, because this, remember, is not a subscription. This works on a pay-as-you-go model. So you just top up with credits and then you can use that credits and top up whenever you feel like again. And as I stated earlier, this is really cheap. As you can see, this is 0.00025 cents. So even the $1 free credit that you have can last you a very long time. Now let's actually test this out. So I'm just going to click on chat and now I'm going to go to my most popular prompts, which you can get access to from the link in the description. And I'm just going to choose one prompt. So I'll just copy this prompt, then I'll test it out in here. So I'll paste it in here. So for this example, I just chose GPT-4. I chose Claude 2.1. And I also chose Llama version 2, which is by Meta. And then lastly, I chose Gemini Pro, which is by Google. But if you see here, there are many models to choose from. And as I said earlier, you can actually compare them against each other, which is what we are going to do now. So once I've given it my prompt, I'm just going to click on submit. And now, as you can see now, all the four models are working together. Now, all of them are finished. And as you can see, this one says it took 24 tokens. This one took 27 tokens. Gemini Pro took 133 tokens. And GPT-4 took 41 tokens. So if I want, I can actually go into each one and then compare them against each other. So I can see which one gives me the best results and then I can use that one. So now this makes it really easy for us to test any type of model against each other. Now, if we want to get even more out of openrouter AI, we can actually connect their API key to external sources. This will allow us to add in multiple language models into our own apps. So the possibilities are endless. Try it out and let me know what you think. If you are interested to learn more about AI, you might find this video useful. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this.